Limited. Permit number FTEB 197486, Series of 2024.
Hanap po ba ay sariling bahay na malapit sa mall, school, ospital at higit sa lahat malapit sa bayan? Narito na ang isa sa mga leading real estate developer sa Southern Tagalog, Kalmar Land. Bilang selebrasyon ng kanilang 35th anniversary, inihahandog sa inyo ang Sonrisa San Pablo. Sa abot kayang halaga, ang pangarap mong bahay mapapasayo na. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Book your tripping at www.sonrisasanpablo.com or call us on 0918-908-3001. Kita-kits San Pableños. Embrace the art of joyful living at Sonrisa San Pablo.
Think of one thing that's common in tricycles, jeepneys, and buses, common in malls, bazaars, and stalls, bungalows, condos, and apartments, in your office, in your bedroom. It's in every MP3, MP4 players, and even in your cell phones. It's amazingly common all over. It's like there's no escaping it. Now think, what is this one thing? And think what it can do for you.
Advertise on Love Radio. Call on 710-6534. Love Radio.
Where advertising works.
Naka-love ka pa ba?
Oo naman!
Gusto mo bang manalo ng cash?
Yes!
Sali na sa Love Radio's Huli Cash! Huli Cash! Huli Cash! Mag-tune in sa 100.7 Love Radio at magpahuling naka-love. Baka andyan lang kami sa tabi-tabi. At pag ikaw ang natapatan naming naka-Love Radio, Huli Cash!
Wow!
Huli Cash mula sa 100.7 Love Radio.
Kinig na!